How to enable or disable Samsung email auto fit content on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, swipe up to go into the apps screen. In here, open up the email app. Then tap on the menu button. From the pop-out, tap on the settings icon. Now in the email settings, we scroll down and then tap on auto fit content. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key to go back to your email inbox or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.